Ready to capture stunning aerial footage but overwhelmed by drone options flooding Amazon? The drone market in 2026 offers incredible choices from budget-friendly beginners models to professional-grade flying cameras. Finding the right drone means matching your skill level, budget, and intended use with the perfect aircraft. These 6 highly rated drones represent the best options available right now, based on real customer reviews and expert testing. Let's find your perfect aerial companion. Number 6. Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E kicks off our guide as the budget-friendly starter drone, proving that aerial photography doesn't require massive investments. This accessible option shows that beginner drones can deliver decent quality. The 4K camera captures respectable aerial footage for social media and personal projects without professional expectations or requirements. The affordable pricing under $250 makes drone flying accessible to curious beginners wanting to test the hobby affordably. The GPS-assisted flight provides stability and helpful features like return to home, preventing costly crashes for inexperienced pilots. The 46-minute flight time exceeds many budget competitors, giving you substantial airtime for learning and exploring. The foldable design improves portability, fitting easily in backpacks for travel and outdoor adventures without excessive bulk. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE. Coming in at number 5 is the Potensic Atom SE, bringing impressive features to entry-level pricing. This value-packed drone shows that smart shoppers can get advanced capabilities affordably. The lightweight sub-250G design avoids registration requirements in many countries, making this legally simpler for casual flyers. The 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal delivers surprisingly stable footage for the price, competing with more expensive options. The GPS features include Return to Home and Follow Me modes, providing safety and creative filming options for beginners. The extended 31-minute flight time provides adequate airtime for most recreational flying and content creation sessions. The optical flow positioning works indoors, where GPS fails, allowing practice and indoor flying year-round. The included carrying case protects your investment during transport, making this ready for adventures immediately. Number 4. Autel Evo Nano Plus. The Autel Evo Nano Plus takes 4th position as the premium sub-250G drone, delivering flagship features in tiny package. This compact powerhouse shows that small drones can pack serious imaging capabilities. The 1.28-inch CMOS sensor captures stunning 50-megapixel photos and 4K 30fps video with exceptional detail and quality. The obstacle avoidance sensors provide 3-direction detection, preventing crashes and building confidence for newer pilots navigating complex environments. The 28-minute flight time balances performance with the lightweight design requirements for sub-250G classification, avoiding registration. The HDR video captures incredible dynamic range, ensuring your footage looks professional in challenging high-contrast lighting situations. The intelligent tracking modes follow subjects, automatically making solo content creation possible without requiring camera operators. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro secures 3rd spot as DJI's latest compact marvel, bringing flagship features to portable form. This refined drone demonstrates why DJI dominates the consumer market with engineering excellence. The 4K 60fps video with 10-bit color depth provides professional-level footage quality in sub-250G package. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing protects your investment from all angles, making this incredibly safe for pilots. The 34-minute flight time leads the sub-250G category, giving you extended flying sessions without constant battery swaps. The ActiveTrack 360 follows subjects intelligently from any angle, creating dynamic footage that impresses viewers consistently. The improved low-light performance captures usable footage in dim conditions where other compact drones struggle significantly. The master shots and quick shots create professional-looking sequences, automatically making advanced cinematography accessible to beginners. Number 2. Autel Evo Lite Plus. Taking the runner-up position is the Autel Evo Lite Plus, proving that serious competition to DJI exists, delivering comparable quality. This impressive drone shows that alternatives offer compelling features and excellent value propositions. The massive 1-inch sensor captures stunning 6K video and 20 megapixel photos with exceptional low-light performance. The adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11 provides creative control over exposure and depth of field effects. The 40-minute flight time leads the category, giving you extended sessions for complex shoots without interruption. The 12 simultaneous obstacle sensors provide comprehensive protection, making this incredibly safe during autonomous flight modes. The Moonlight algorithm captures surprisingly detailed footage in near darkness, expanding shooting possibilities dramatically. The competitive pricing undercuts DJI significantly, while delivering comparable or superior specifications in several categories. Number 1. DJI Air 3, the game changer. Finally, the number one drone that represents the smartest choice for most buyers, the DJI Air 3. This isn't just another drone. It's the perfect balance of portability, performance, and features that makes it ideal for enthusiasts and professionals wanting serious capabilities without carrying massive aircraft, proving that you don't need to choose between compact size and professional quality anymore. The dual camera system features both wide-angle and 70mm telephoto lenses, providing versatile framing options without repositioning. The 46-minute flight time allows extensive flying sessions covering large areas or capturing complex shots requiring multiple takes. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APAS 5.0 navigates complex environments autonomously, preventing crashes during challenging flights. The 4K 100fps video captures incredibly smooth slow-motion footage, adding cinematic quality to your content easily. The O4 transmission provides 20-kilometer range with rock-solid connection, ensuring reliable control even in challenging RF environments. The Waypoint flight modes automate complex camera movements, creating repeatable professional shots that manual flying cannot match. The improved low-light performance captures stunning footage during golden hour and blue hour when light is magical. The reasonable pricing around $1,100 delivers flagship features and dual cameras, making this exceptional value for serious creators.